Go.
Hi Libby and little James. This is a Holden Commodore we bought last year in October. We purchased it on the 10th of October 2013 and picked it up.
Eidetic memory.
And picked it up and drove it away on the 17th of October 2015.
Gosh.
Sorry it's raining.
You don't have to apologise for the rain.
I do apologise for the rain. It is actually Phantom Black.
Oh yes, Phantom Black.
So, it's got the LEDs. So, if your car has LEDs and it's raining like this or a thunderstorm, please use them if you have LEDs, daytime running lamps on your car. Now, this is only, it's not the Storm, the SB6 Storm, which is top of the range. This is only the standard base model SB6. Now, it was from Caloundra City Holden, and it's also got automatic headlights. And they also, and if you are driving and you do not want to turn the headlights on, or if you can't be bothered turning the headlights on, or if your hands are getting tired of turning the headlights on and other reasons as well. It's got that the reason for the automatic headlamps. Now, it's got the front sensors. I'll get to the reverse sensors and the camera later. And I'll just get the camera to come around here.
Here comes the camera.
I really apologise for the rain.
It's okay.
It's got at least 100% of tread left on the tyres.
Oh, that's good.
Let's hope we do not have to replace them for about 15 or 16 years. And
let's hope
this
too.
car has got the side indicators on the panel instead of the mirrors. Now, get to the interior later.
We better hurry up and get to the interior.
It's black,
Otherwise,
and it's got nice wheels.
Otherwise, we're going to run out of
Even
time.
Caloundra City Auto sticker and SBC.
How about we get to the interior now? So it's starting to rain a lot.
Now, I want to show you something, every little gent and Libby. I just get you to come over here.
Jordan, we've got to get to the interior. We need... Oh! Oh, did you... Oh! Oh, who did that? There's no one in the car. How did that work? Is it magic?
Now, I just get the camera to come here.
Is it magic?
Yes, it is. Now, it's got the magic star. Now, as you see in the interior, it's got the electronics on the seats. Now,
careful. Don't start. Okay.
Now, it's got the Connect Suede thingy. And it's got the automatic headlights as well. So, I just get you to jump around the passenger side.
Okay. Let me jump. Hang on. Wait. Oh gosh. I will tell him. I'll tell him. Can't get in. He's locked me out. Oh, here we go. Okay, got to turn the engine off. Engine off. Keep going, but engine off. Right.
Now,
Right.
I'll just wait for the gauges to come back to 0 and 0. Okay.
Right.
Steering wheel first.
Okay.
It's got the cruise control.
Yep.
You can reset it and set it. And it's also got your power windows and mirrors.
Hang on.
And
Grandma's interrupting.
Put the garage in that.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get back. I'll
can't be
show
too
you
longer.
the rest of the steering wheel features later.
Okay, but do you know what? We'll have to wrap it up now. We'll have to start.
I want to show the voice control.
Okay, quickly. Oh no, we can't do it. We haven't got the keys. We can show the voice control next time. How about we just finish off here?
Big
No.
Grandma.
It's all right. No. Let's just we need to stop. We're not doing the voice control
Okay,
today.
I know how to do it.
Oh, but okay. But do you need the keys or not?
No, you don't.
Oh, well, you do the voice control then.
Now,
Right.
Please say a command.
AM 9160.
Please wait until after the beep to speak.
AM 1960.
Tuning to 1296 AM.
That was
And it's
pretty
also
close.
got the dual zone climate
That's pretty
control.
close. Yep.
And it's also got your parallel park assist. Just turn that off.
Yes.
And it's also got your parking sensor button where you can turn the rear parking sensors on and off.
Right.
And it's got your sports shifts mode.
Wow.
And it is, as you can see, the steering wheel is leather wrapped.
It is. Indeed.
Now I'll show you under the bonnet.
Oh,
Just get
Jordan, last thing. Last thing. Can you show just quickly under the bonnet? Just
now.
one.
It's got a nice bonnet.
Jordan, we have to wrap it up so quickly. Quickly, we have to just do up and down. Oh,
Now,
wow.
as you see here, it's got a 3.6 litre V6. As you can see, I'll get the camera. As you can see, all nicely clean, but not. And it's sorry, it's a little bit dirty.
Okay.
And
Jordan?
I'll just get the camera down to
Jo-
here. It's April.
Okay.
It's April last year,
Okay,
so
Okay,
2015.
listen. No, stop. Let him do it. Okay, now listen. You've got to finish it up now.
Bye.
So, thanks for listening.
There'll be a review on some VF2s on Wednesday. Bye.
Bye.